Viewers, welcome to ICTube. Today I'll show how to disable or enable USB device or USB storage device in your Windows PC. And I'll show two ways. Let me show how to do it. Viewers, welcome back. As earlier I said, I'll show two ways. The first way is Registry Editor and second way is Group Policy Object Editor. So let's move on to the Registry Editor. To disable or enable your pen drive by Registry Editor, you have to go to Run, Window key plus R and press regedit. You have to write regedit, then click on OK, then click on Yes. Then you will get this window here. From this window, you have to select the HK local machine, and then select Systems. Then select CurrentControlSet. Then select Service. Just go to USBSTOR. Yeah, this is the option for disable or enable pen drive. Select USBSTOR and go to the Start. Double click on it, and you can see the value of data is 3 and the base is hexadecimal. It's for enabling a pen drive in your PC. If you want to disable any storage device on this PC, then you have to change this value to 4 and you have to change this value to decimal. Then press on OK. You have to go to back, and you have to do same process for the control set on also. Open, go to Service, go to same USBSTOR. Yeah, this is the one. Select, double click on Start, and already this value is 4 and select decimal. Press OK. Now go to back to your desktop. Now it's closed. Now I am connecting a pen drive to my PC. I have connected my pen drive, but it's not showing. I have opened. I have reconnected it, but it's not showing. So it's mean that now my PC is disabled for any USB device, USB storage device. Again I have removed. Okay. If you want to disable this option, then you have to follow that way in a reverse way. Then go to regedit again, press on OK, click on Yes, and go to HK local machine, go to System, go to Control Set, go to Service, go to USBSTOR, Start, change the value to 3 and it will be hexadecimal. Then click on OK. Again do the process for control set. Again Service, USBSTOR, select, Start, this value will be 3 and OK. Now I am connecting my pen drive to my PC. Yeah, Now it's connected. You can see this is my pen drive. It's now connected. Thank you very much. Now I'll show the group policy object editor. To follow the group policy object editor, you have to go to gpedit.msc. Again, go to run and press gpedit.msc. gpedit.msc. Press on OK. You can see two menus here. One is computer configuration, user configuration. From the computer configuration, you have to select the administrative templates. Select and go to systems, and from this systems menu, you have to select the remove storage axis. Remove storage axis. Remove storage axis. This is the main option to disable your pen drive or to control access of your pen drive. Select this one. After selecting this, you will get these three options. These three: removable disk, deny execute of access, deny read access, and deny write access. It's not configured, so we'll configure it. Before configuration, we can check out our pen drive is connected or not. You can see this is my pen drive which is connected in my PC. Now I'll configure these three. After configuration, what will happen? You can see. Double click on this and enable. Apply. OK. In the same way, read access. Enable. Apply. OK. Again follow the same way for write. Enable. Apply. OK. Now go to the file explorer. After configure, you just remove your pen drive from your PC and again reconnect it to your computer. I've reconnected. Now go to the file explorer. This is my pen drive. You can see no storage system is showing now. I can try to open it. Yeah, location is not available and access denied. This is the way to control the access in your PC by USB storage. Now we can reconfigure it in reverse way. Open write, not configure, apply, and OK. Again, not configured, apply, OK. For the execution, not configured, OK. Yeah, now you can see this is my pen drive. Which is wow. Now I have to remove from PC. After removing, again connect. I am remove my pen drive from PC and again I have reconnected. Now we can browse now. So viewers, thank you very much, and that's all for the USB disable. And the information is, if you want to watch more tips and tricks regarding ICT, please subscribe my channel and you can click on bell icon for getting all the notifications of my update. Thank you again.